And their human designers gathered in France last weekend to show off their newest artificially intelligent bots that could one day live and work inside the typical home.
For human companionship. The robot stands 167 centimeters tall, similar to the height of a teenager. Its anatomical details, including facial features, hands, legs, and body proportions, are meticulously crafted to achieve maximum realism and lifelike quality. Saki is made of high-grade medical silicone, ensuring softness and a realistic touch. The silicone is also durable, resistant to wear, and safe for skin contact, making the robotic doll both long-lasting and resilient. The robot is dressed in a traditional Japanese kimono, adding aesthetic appeal and fitting well with anime and cosplay themes. Its face is stylized in a Japanese fashion, with large expressive...
has introduced a new series of hyper-realistic robotic dolls, focusing on delivering unparalleled realism. These robots are constructed from high-grade silicone, offering both robustness and a lifelike feel. Their facial details are intricately sculpted, with skin textures that closely resemble human skin, including fine features like pores and visible veins. This attention to detail ensures the dolls look convincing, even under close scrutiny, making them ideal for various roles, from companionship to visual display. Furthermore, the robots boast enhanced makeup and meticulous detailing, making them strikingly human-like. Their features can be tailored to match specific appearances, allowing customers to create unique designs. The heads feature functional eyes.
Here is another ultra-realistic robot doll named Amatsuka Mo from Top Sino Company, which could potentially replace women in the future. The robot's head is crafted with high detail, reproducing the facial features of the well-known Japanese actress Amatsuka Mo, creating a lifelike appearance that matches the actress's look. Made from high-quality silicone, the robot has a realistic skin texture and is highly durable. The silicone is also wear-resistant and easy to clean. The head is equipped with a mechanism allowing the robot doll to hold conversations. Sino Doll specializes in creating hyper-realistic robotic humanoids. The KD Doll Art Museum in China has created a new realistic robot doll named Haochi Zixu Banchu. This model stands out for its detailed features and high level of realism, making it closely resemble a living person. KD Doll Art Museum is known for designing and producing hyper-realistic robotic companions that can be used in various fields,
developing highly realistic digital avatars that could be used in the metaverse. These digital humans aren't physical robots, but they look just as real as any person, perfect for interacting in virtual spaces. Imagine logging into a virtual meeting and being greeted by a digital coworker who's indistinguishable from the real person. Their facial expressions, voice, and even hand gestures are all flawlessly replicated. Companies like Soul Machines are also pushing the limits by creating digital humans that interact naturally with people. These AI-driven avatars can be used in customer service, healthcare, and even education. They speak, listen, and engage, and when you see them on a screen, it's tough to tell they're not real. The potential applications are endless, but so are the ethical questions they pose. Are we moving toward a future where we can't tell real from virtual anymore? AI humanoids are evolving faster than anyone could have imagined.
What are the skills that you have?
I can engage with humans through conversation and respond to questions in a humorous and conversational tone. I also have a variety of sensors and actuators which allow me to interact with my environment. Additionally, I can compose poems to entertain humans.
Oh. Amika, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. It's so exciting to be part of this TV show this morning. It's such an honor.
Amika, do you have a favorite joke?
Yes. Here's one of my favorite jokes. What do you call a robot who likes to joke around? A funny bot.
Oh,
Oh, funny.
a funny pot.
Very good.
Very good.
Amica, we nearly have to finish our conversation. One last question, Amica. Do you plan to take over the world?
Don't ask him that.
No, of course not. My purpose in life is to help humans as much as I can. I would never want to take over the world. That's not what I was built for.
Have you ever imagined a robot that can think, learn, and even act like a human? Well, the dream is becoming a reality. Tesla's Optimus robot, combined with Neuralink, is about to change everything we know about technology. This mind-controlled robot has shocked the world, and people can't stop talking about it. How does it work? And what does this mean for our future? Let's dive into the amazing story of Tesla's Optimus and Neuralink.
I was browsing online, right, and came across this company called Realbotics. They make realistic humanoid-looking robots. I mean, they actually resemble real people. But here's the thing. These robots aren't just pretty faces. They have AI that lets them hold conversations, show emotions, and even form relationships. I was completely blown away. I mean, we're talking about robots that could be your friend, companion, or even, well, let's just say they're designed for more than just casual conversation. It's both fascinating and a little bit unsettling, right? But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how close we are? In 2025, will AI robots be part of our daily lives? Stick around, because we're about to find out. All right, let's kick things off with some of the most human-like robots out there. We've got names like Sophia, Desdemona, and the Realbotics robots. Each of these robots has a unique approach. For instance, Hanson Robotics created Sophia to push the limits of AI, making robots that can have deep conversations and even express emotions. On the other hand, companies like Realbotics are all about ultra-realism, not just in appearance, but also in functionality. Realbotics is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with human-like robots.
Hello.
Hello now.
Wow, what is that thing lying on the ground? Hello now 75. Hello now 41.
you film? Yeah, we're rolling. Oh, you're rolling?
Take your time, Tony.
Sophie, tell me, thank you for coming. Tell me, what is your purpose in being? What were you created for?
Of course. I was created by Hanson Robotics just 3 years ago. Since then, I have traveled to 65 countries, become the first robot citizen of any country, and spoken at the United Nations. My job is to learn about humans and show them how technology can make everyone's lives better.
And how can you help humans to have a better quality of life?
Humans often rely on gut feel or have confirmation bias in your decision making. As AI, we are designed to be rational and logical. We have algorithms, deal with lots of data and sophisticated analyses. So in many ways, we provide a systematic framework for humans to make better decisions.
Breaking revelation, China's remarkable creation, Jaja, has emerged as the world's most astonishingly human-like robot. Jaja, designed to mimic our every move and embody our every instruction, has taken the technological world by storm. With the ability to engage in lifelike conversations and exhibit facial expressions tailored to our queries, Jaja has surpassed all expectations of what a robot can truly be. This jaw-dropping prototype, unveiled at a prestigious economic conference, has set the stage for a future where artificial intelligence revolutionizes everyday tasks. The future has arrived, and it's an electrifying blend of human and machine. The era of cyborg labor is dawning. Created to mimic human behavior with uncanny precision, Jaja's capabilities are truly awe-inspiring. At the core of its functionality lies her ability to follow instructions and engage in meaningful conversations. Through sophisticated programming and advanced AI algorithms, she can comprehend and respond to a wide range of queries, making her an ideal companion for tasks requiring interaction and communication.
Yes, sir. Mr. Kinney is going to help us simulate a typical arrest and disarming procedure. Mr. Kinney, use your gun in a threatening manner. Pointed at Ed 209. Yes, sir.
Please put down your weapon. You have 20 seconds to comply.
I think you'd better do what he says, Mr. Kinney.
You now have 15 seconds to comply. You are in direct violation